Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, we will discuss how to quit something cold turkey. Let's watch.
Hey Brian, long time no see.
Hey Julie.
Wow, you're a runner. I didn't know that.
Yes, I started running last year. I feel great.
Why did you start running?
Well, I decided to quit smoking cigarettes.
Oh, congratulations. How did you quit?
I quit cold turkey.
Huh? Cold turkey? Is that some brand of cigarettes?
No, cold turkey is not a cigarette brand. To quit cold turkey means to stop a habit suddenly and completely. It is not easy, but it is effective. Let's watch a real scenario.
Hey Brian, looking good. Something is different about you.
Actually, I quit smoking and started exercising.
Oh, good news. How did you quit?
I quit cold turkey.
Wow, really? That is not easy.
Nope, not easy. But my life has improved so fast. Quitting cold turkey is the best way to quit bad habits.
Now let's watch another example of stopping a bad habit by quitting cold turkey.
Hey Frank, have some donuts. I know you love donuts for breakfast.
Oh, thanks, but no thanks. I'm enjoying a protein smoothie today.
Smoothie? But you always eat donuts for breakfast.
Nope, not anymore. The doctor said I need to lose weight, so I quit donuts cold turkey.
Wow, you have willpower.
Willpower, the ability to control one's own actions, emotions, or urges. In this case, Frank's urge to eat donuts every morning.
Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe to our channel.